Today, we're diving into the future of muscle cars with a closer look at the 2025 Shelby Cobra, a car that's as legendary as it is revolutionary. So, buckle up and get ready to experience the thrill. The Shelby Cobra is a name that commands respect in the automotive world. It's a car that has always represented the pinnacle of American performance and engineering. For 2025, Shelby has taken that legacy and launched it into the future with a bold new redesign and groundbreaking technology. The result, a machine that combines the spirit of its predecessors with the demands of a modern performance car. Let's talk about the design first. The 2025 Shelby Cobra is a masterpiece of aerodynamics and aesthetics. While it retains the iconic silhouette that fans know and love, it now boasts a more aggressive stance, wider body lines, and a front grille that screams power. Shelby has also incorporated lightweight materials, including carbon fiber and aluminum, to ensure the car is as agile as it is beautiful. Every curve and contour is designed to enhance performance, reduce drag, and maximize downforce, making it a true beast on the track. Under the hood lies the heart of the 2025 Shelby Cobra, a 5.2-liter supercharged V8 engine. This engine is a marvel of engineering, delivering over 800 horsepower and 700 lp-50 of torque. That's right, Shelby didn't just aim to compete, they aimed to dominate. The Cobra's power is paired with an advanced 10-speed automatic transmission that provides lightning-fast gear shifts and an exhilarating driving experience. For purists, there's even an option for a 6-speed manual transmission, giving you that classic hands-on driving thrill. One of the standout features of the 2025 Cobra is its hybrid technology. Yes, you heard that right. Shelby has introduced a performance-oriented hybrid system that boosts acceleration and efficiency. The electric motor adds an extra 150 horsepower, allowing the Cobra to rocket from 0 to 60 in just 2.9 seconds. This hybrid integration also improves fuel economy, making the car more practical for everyday use without sacrificing its signature performance. The Cobra isn't just about raw power, it's also packed with cutting-edge tech. The interior has been completely reimagined, blending luxury and functionality. You'll find premium leather seats, a fully digital instrument cluster, and a 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Shelby has also included advanced driving aids like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a track mode that optimizes the car's performance settings for high-speed driving. But perhaps the most exciting feature of the 2025 Shelby Cobra is its customizable driving experience. With the Shelby Performance Control app, drivers can fine-tune the car's suspension, steering, and throttle response to suit their preferences. Whether you're cruising down the highway or tearing up a racetrack, the Cobra can adapt to your driving style with the push of a button. The driving experience is further enhanced by Shelby's advanced suspension system, which features magnetic dampers and an adaptive chassis. These technologies work together to provide exceptional handling and stability, even at high speeds. Combined with Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires and Brembo brakes, the Cobra offers unparalleled control and confidence, no matter where you drive. Now let's talk about sound. The 2025 Shelby Cobra isn't just a car you see and feel, it's a car you hear. Its exhaust system has been engineered to deliver a symphony of roars and crackles that'll send shivers down your spine. And with a switchable exhaust mode, you can tone it down for city driving or let it rip on the open road. Sound is a big deal. Shelby has also ensured that the Cobra remains a car for enthusiasts. Despite all the advanced technology, the driving experience remains visceral and engaging. It's a car that demands your attention, rewards your skill, and delivers an adrenaline rush every time you get behind the wheel. The 2025 Shelby Cobra is more than just a car. It's a statement, It proves that muscle cars have a place in the future, blending classic design with modern innovation. It's a car that pays homage to its heritage while pushing the boundaries of what's possible. If you're as excited about the 2025 Shelby Cobra as we are, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from Drive Dynamics. We've got more thrilling content coming your way, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next ride. What?